at this.
Alright guys, I'm like
Take a look at real close. Loving all my family, I gotta do the most. You can wish, hope, grants here to make it known that anything you do, you gotta do it with your soul. Cause we brilliant, resilient. We hold it down like a loose end. We in this, raising queens and a king. Together we're a team, making it to our dreams. Nowhere I'd rather be than with my family. Family, 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 family. Nowhere I'd rather be. Family, 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 family. Know that you're proud of me. Family, 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 family. You're with my family, my family. Oh, oh.
Hey guys, so what's up and welcome back to our channel. I'm your girl Chantel. I'm looking a little bald, but my hair is in a ponytail. And that's Jay and Araya, Dominic, and Maya went to find a bathroom. So we are in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know where this place is. I'll find out where it is. And they have a bunch of little stalls that sell food. So I'll show you guys all the food, and we're about to taste some of these food. Of course you gotta buy it.
No.
So, kisses. Say hi.
Hi.
We're getting dark. This is country lifestyle. I feel like I'm in Guyana. I really feel like I'm in Guyana, but let me show you guys all the festivities that's going on out here. It's just a bunch of food spots and coconut water and all this other extra stuff. So let's go.
So how did you pack the cameras in? Huh? Didn't you? Huh? Didn't you pack all the cameras in?
Yeah. In the bag.
Why do I want to try this? These things actually looks really, really good. These look really good. And they look like they're like smoked outside. Oh my gosh. I'm already trying to get rid of my gut. And then they have boba tea and the pull me, somebody pull me. Somebody pull me. I want to try everything. Welcome, aloha. So this one is closed.
Steps to the boba.
I'm trying to see these food.
Fire, steak, rice.
They have like a really good shrimp over there.
I want this.
All Jay care about is the boba.
I want this.
What is that? Beef stir fry?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, there's a lot of birds, and these birds are very aggressive. They will not move. And there's a lot of chickens as well out here. We have to get cash, so now we know we're driving around certain places. Y'all gonna see a chicken just now. Amaya said she saw a really big rooster. Steak, chicken. And they have like funnel cakes and stuff over here. You hear that? You hear the chicken? Oh, Lordy, Lordy Jesus. Yo, all this food looks so delicious and everything is in one spot. Look at Amaya. This girl have a sense of humor. The chicken said, ah, 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 ah. You see it? It's right there. Yes. Ah, 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 ah. Is that funny? Is that funny?
It's so bad.
So this girl is she getting a little bit of Guyana out here because it's very much Caribbean living lifestyle. That's a trail all the way back there. All this grass. I swear we're in Guyana. This is so Georgetown. Grove. Like this is real. This is real Caribbean vibe. Uh-oh. You okay, my love? You not okay? What's wrong? This is giving.
Over there.
I'm coming, okay? The food is coming.
These drinks are really, really good. Let me see yours.
Yummy. You like yummy drinks?
This is cool. Are we waiting for our food, guys? This is really good. Mmm.
You want to taste mommy yours?
So this is shrimp and rice with butter and lemon
With garlic.
with garlic sauce. That's how I see it. And that is shrimpy. I don't know. So who is this for? Is that for you? Ooh. Who is this for? Oh,
Me and Ryan can share food.
you and Jay? Her and Jay?
Me and Ryan.
Okay.
Like her and her.
Okay. Look at this. This is really cute.
Get in there right now.
Look at this.
Alright guys, don't make a mess.
I'm trying to get it.
Make me either. We took a couple photos. There's two.
Always shrimp.
It's two.
Marjorie,
No, sour.
you don't like it?
Oh, I thought you was a sour cream, huh?
That food was delightful. It tastes really good. Everybody's full and ready to sleep. Araya, you enjoy your food? Where's the bathroom?
Did you enjoy your food? Press.
I give that a 10 out of 10. Oh, over there have a grilled garlic shrimp. And they got porks served here. Boy, if you don't move your big head. We're trying to find a barber for this big head boy. My big headed son. Is your head big for real?
James Campbell National Wildfire Refugee. Planting, guys. A whole planting. Oh, my God. A whole bunch of planting right there. Yeah, coconut. What's up, baby? Planting.
In a quarter mile, make a U-turn at West Kualima.
Registration. This thing is hot. Look at this thing, real quick. Oh. So you on a resort and you come into a resort?
Did you just know?
This soda
You know
is
what
so
you
stiff,
just
I feel like
said?
it's gonna pop and explode.
In a resort, in a resort. You on a resort, in a resort. That's the resort.
Oh my God.
You know my
No
dad?
way.
Hey,
Make a U-turn at West Kuilima Loop.
Just now, let's see the resort.
At the stop sign, make a U-turn.
One way down, one way back.
I heard somebody
Make a U-turn.
What was the name of this resort again?
Turtle Bay.
This is Turtle Bay Resort. We're
Turtles come to be.
viewing. It's a lot. You see all those coconut trees?
Isn't turtles supposed to bathe right now?
It's Turtle Bay.
Proceed to the route.
I wonder if this is on our tail.
Where do you see a turtle?
Proceed to the route.
There. Oh, it's through there.
This person in front of you.
Proceed to the
Look at
route.
those trees. Look at my plant. My aunt here, she picked these
Turn
plants.
left,
Yeah.
then turn left.
We're spending the night here. Guys,
Okay.
we'll drop you guys off by Auntie Chelsea and come back.
The water's literally behind that reef.
Turn left, then keep right onto Kuilima Drive.
That's why.
Hail, Hanu.
Ooh, look at those golf courses.
Keep right onto Kuilima Drive.
How do each of these things live? Because those, oh, it's gas. Okay, I see the gas in the green.
Yes, yes.
In half a mile, turn right onto Kamehameha Highway.
That's the beach.
So hurry,
You can go there.
Clearly says no turning. Kamehameha Highway. Oh, this is beautiful.
Kamehameha Highway.
Stop being stuck.
Now listen, Kamehameha Highway.
Right.
Are you gonna drop us off at Chelsea's house and then go get the bag? And go to here.
You want to sleep on that air bed at Auntie Jessie or something here tomorrow? Don't worry about that. Hope they got more.
It's real. It will be so easy to travel. Water 76 is a train that runs on water. So it's a real road that's built on the water.
What movie did we watch with the water people in?
Black Panther.
What do you mean by that?
No. Not Black Panther, the other one with Atlantis and is Atlantis, right?
Hold up.
You know, it seemed like everybody just comes out here. People that don't
They run up a mountain.
You
Duh.
know what? Tomorrow we're gonna finish the island tour. We're gonna come from the other direction.
No. We're getting back
What you mean? Oh, we need a small move.
Let me show you about
Come shadow box me. No. That way.
Airbnb those $2,000 a night just
I
for the
did
view.
this, so I got you. That way. That way up.
How did you get up there? Is there a road up there?
That way
Oh,
up,
I see
up.
the road up there.
No, hold on. That way. That way up. That way up. Down.
Hi, Washington, D.C. Mom. I don't.
No, if we're on the up exactly, you see
start to where the waterfalls is at. Place we said the waterfalls.
Look, there's a boat. There's the boat.
That's
I'm running.
place. You gotta come to the park over there and see.
Where's the waterfall?
Somewhere.
Only this ball, but not the hotel.
Hanging on for their dear
Falls.
life. The trees on the side are hanging on for their dear life. Their roots are out.
Juanina Valley
Why me?
Nobody can see it from
is in there. It is. It is. It's Friday. Amaya. No hurry. Thank you. Regular Maya. Sit down.
Like this?
We're doing the same thing you are.
Macadamia nut company.
Dad,
Yeah.
the water,
Yeah. You like the water?
the baby.
The bathe?
I want to play around. Oh. Yeah.
To go play in the water that's in the grass?
No. At the slide. I don't want to slide place. Like that.
Tenna.
Parking.
It's like a nice little village.
It looks like a cowboy village.
Hmm?
It looks like a cowboy village.
It is. So you got big COC 1921. This is an old.
Wow.
1921. Man, if Martin Luther King was still alive, it'll be around the same age.